Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to add Bluetooth to quick settings in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, here you will see there was not any Bluetooth icon. Now press Windows plus I to open settings. Then click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down. Here you will click on View More Devices. Then scroll down. Then you will see more Bluetooth settings. Just click on it, and then here you will see the option show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Just tap on it, then click on apply, then OK. Now go back to, then click on the icon. Here you will see now just simply click on the icon, and here you will see the Bluetooth icon will be added successfully. From there you can directly add a Bluetooth device, show Bluetooth device, send or receive a file, or open settings directly. And that's it. That's how you can add Bluetooth to quick setting in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.